Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello guys, welcome back. This is my new phone, Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 edition, which has a teardrop display and 4000 mAh battery. Right. As we can see, the ROM 32 GB and the RAM 3 GB with a dual SIM. Okay, and oh, made in China. Shit. Okay, whatever. Let's go on. The stickers and the Huawei logo. Okay, then let's open it. 1, 2, and 3. The quick start guide, the guidebook of this phone. Nothing, there's nothing. And we can see the charger of Huawei. This is not fast charger. The Huawei logo. Okay, and then the cable. This is not type C port. Oh my god, the cheapest earphone, oldest. Whatever, the pin to unlock the SIM slot. And here's the phone, Huawei Y7, the dual camera. It's working like mirror, right? Charger port and the sound system. It's really work like a mirror. Oh, you can see me here. You can see me here. Okay. It's such a nice phone. There's something more. I have to show you something. Wait. All images on the packaging, blah blah blah, whatever. अरे बाहर निकलो ना जल्दी यार. Oh, the back cover of this phone. The plastic back cover with a plastic protector, glass protector. Okay. Move it. Okay, let's switch on the phone. The Huawei, powered by Android. Oh my god, it takes too much time. Oh. Okay. Here I am giving my password. Don't watch, close to your eyes. No, it's very bad. Okay, I have unlocked it. Oh, you. Oh, actually, I have not connected to the Wi-Fi. That's why. Here is the Instagram, Facebook apps, blah. Oh, here is Netflix apps too. Oh god, yeah. The YouTube, Google, blah blah. Let's see the camera. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. Oh. Let's see the front camera. Oh. The maker of this video is invisible. The cost. Okay, whatever. Let's go on the setting box. Okay. The system. Uh, about phone. Yeah. This is EMUI version 8.2.0, Android version 8.1.0, and RAM 3 GB. Okay. The volume button and the power button. Here you can see me again. 3. I'm using the face lock. Try it again. Okay, 1 2 3, go. Oh, it's cool. Let's try the fingerprint. Okay, 1 2 3. Oh, it's fast. Let's see again. Too much fast. Yeah. Okay. By the way, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my new channel.